This is a 65 Corvette we've been working on for the last little while. Got ride-tech suspension all around now. 13-inch rotors, 4-piston calipers. Wheels that suit the build really nicely. All new wiring, interior, etc. Factory 4-speed. Under the hood we got a 327 with a little special video on here. Got a McCulloch supercharger, especially built for this vehicle. It's fuel injected. Fuel injection hasn't been set up yet, so let's see how she runs. Seems to be quite nice. The 61 just coming in for an evaluation. We'll see what happens with this one. And inside, we have a 64 being prepped for NCRS judging, so it'll be all stock, 100% factory all the way through. At the moment, we're just doing all the color coding on the drive shaft and that kind of stuff. Being judged in a couple weeks, so we've got our work cut out for us. And just in time for Corvette to come back.